little birds are looking for a permanent... Maybe looking for a permanent animal. Really? Oh, good. What about 3 animals right there? 3 animals are looking also just what I was looking for. You know, sometimes about shark tail or something. Maybe. Okay. Let me think. Let's do this! Leave it to me! That's me! That's me! Yay! Hooray! Oh, no way! Well, 3 little birds are just looking for 3 little birds. Don't worry about a thing. Or, okay. What about 3 little birds that goes on forever? Maybe you just heard about imagination. Well, certainly, maybe I forget about this, but I did not know how.
This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure